Hello everyone, welcome to Berthon in Lymington. I'm Robert, motor yacht broker, here to show you this stunning Hunt 52 Highland Lassie. Come on board and take a look. Hello everyone, welcome on board our latest listing. This is Highland Lassie, Hunt 52. We're going to do a quick sneak preview before we launch the full walkthrough tour. So Highland Lassie was designed by Ray Hunt, renowned for the deep V hull design that is widely used in the commercial and pleasure market. She's 17.45 metres in length and 4.78 metres in beam. The yacht is all about cruising in style and comfort. And we have these wide side decks with high supporting guardrails add to that reassuring feel of the boat. We're out in a choppy Solent today photographing this beautiful gentleman's cruiser. Even with a strong breeze, it was an absolute delight cruising at 24 knots. She's equipped with a garage that houses a custom Hunt tender that's actually painted in the same flag blue as the whole top sides. She's super solid. The hull is laminated with vinyl ester resin infused PVC foam core, and the power comes from a pair of CAT C12 diesel engines that are turbocharged and aftercooled with 705 horsepower per side, so she's good for 30 knots. Highland Lassie was delivered in 2010. Most of the Hunt 52s can be found in the US and certainly are a rare find in the UK. She did start life in the Med and is equipped with a passarelle aircon. So she has self-contained units in all the cabins and saloon. She's been upgraded throughout this ownership with no expense spared. This includes a full-time captain and she spent winter periods undercover. This 22-inch Garmin display was recently installed along with a complete electronics overhaul with new digital switching from C-Zone, allowing you to manage the boat remotely and on a tablet when on board. We also have full Wi-Fi, 3G and 4G internet on board. This boat is equipped with bow and stern thruster for easy manoeuvring. There you can see that iPad. She also runs with an autopilot, VHF, and engine room and docking cameras. Really nicely equipped. Absolutely stunning views from the saloon. Complete visibility all round. So galley is off to port, very well appointed. See, we have this beautiful cherry interior with a satin finish. The owner opted for extra fridge space on board, so there's plenty. The captain's cabin is equipped with a sofa that slides into a small double berth. Can be separated with that sliding door. We have a microwave on board as well as a double burner hob, which is powered by the Northern Lights 16 kilowatt generator. Really nice spec from new, still in the same ownership. This will act as your day head, also is ensuite to the captain's cabin. Full walk-in shower. We've got electric heads with freshwater flush. Good spot to prepare some drinks. It's generally a good entertaining boat. So moving forward, we have the master stateroom. Good sized queen double berth. Owner added this window in. We can do some stargazing at night. We've got hanging wardrobe space, both port and starboard. Plenty of other lockers in this cabin. Of course, she is also en suite, and this is very good size. And again, full walk-in shower, electric head and sink. Lots of extras specified from new, which you can find in the details from our sales brochure. Rare to the market in this condition, still with modest engine hours, around about 300. Exceptionally serviced and maintained. Available now with Berthon.